Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at our thermostat that contains our air conditioning, our heat pump, and our furnace features. Back in the bedroom area of the trailer, we have our thermostat, which has the controls and menus for our heat pump, our air conditioner, and our furnace. You have an on, off, or a power button to start the process of our thermostat. We press in the button. You can see the display comes up. Zone 2 is off. This particular model has 2 heat pump air conditioning units, so therefore we're going to have 2 zones. We can change the zone just by pressing the zone button. We can switch back and forth between zone 1 and zone 2. We're going to leave it on zone 1 right now. We're going to check the mode. Mode 1 is cool air conditioning. Right now the air conditioner is going to try to reach or maintain a 55-degree setting. We're going to increase that. You can see it just turned on. That's the unit directly above us. We'll move that up to, say, 70 degrees. The air conditioning unit will try to maintain 70 degrees inside all of the trailer at that temperature setting. Auto mode means it's going to switch back and forth between the heat pump and the air conditioner to maintain that temperature setting. And we can move that to 70 degrees as well, zone 1. And then heat pump. If all we wanted to do was heat the inside of the unit, that's a little warm right now. Let's move that down to 70 degrees so that the heat pump will try to maintain 70 degrees. And then we can go back to fan. Fan we always leave in the auto mode. We'll probably never utilize the fan when we're not using the air conditioning or heat pump, simply because we have our 2 fantastic fans. Well, actually one inside this unit, which is located in the front. So we'll just leave the fan at the highest setting in auto mode. Now if we go through our zone again, we move to zone 2 and go through our mode button again. That's going to sequence us through our air conditioning, heat pump, auto, and this time we're going to find furnace. And now we have our furnace. And furnace is located in these black vents. Anywhere you see a circular black vent, there's usually 3 or 4 of those located in any particular unit. One up front in the lounge area, one back in the hallway area, one back here in the bedroom area, and then you'll find another one located inside the bathroom area as well. Now the furnace, you only want to run the furnace when it's below 40 degrees. The reason for that is your heat pump, there isn't enough air or hot air in the outside air below 40 degrees for the heat pump to operate and function properly. There's not enough heat in that outside air below 40 degrees for the heat pump to draw that heat out to heat up the inside of your trailer. So anything below 40 degrees, you want to go ahead and use your furnace. Anything above 40 degrees, you want to use your heat pump. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.